Welcome to the engineer jobs. Reliable Autotech is hiring for multiple positions. Location is based in Nashik/Chakan, Maharashtra. Position, Trainee, paint shop with Diploma/BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 0 to 2 years of experience. Position, Operations Head Assistant Manager/Manager with BE/BTech/ME/MTech in mechanical engineering having 12 to 15 years of experience. Position, Manufacturing Engineer Senior Officer with BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 1 to 3 years of experience. Position, Sister Officer Production Senior Officer with Diploma/BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 3 to 6 years of experience. Position, Sister Officer, Operations, Sister Officer with Diploma/BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 2 to 4 years of experience. Position, Team Leader, Process Engineering and Design Assistant Manager with Diploma/BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 8 to 11 years of experience. Position, Team Leader, Tool Design Assistant Manager with BE/BTech in mechanical engineering having 7 to 10 years of experience. Scan the QR code to apply for the position. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more job notifications.